All right, the official room tour of a 2-bedroom villa with Disney Vacation Club. So we come in through the first door. So there's closets right here. And then if you turn this way, we've got the one of the bedrooms. And so here she's got a sink, her own shower tub, toilet combo. We've got a mirror with, I'm assuming it's a closet. Yes, we've got a nice big closet. And then you come in through here and we've got 2 queen beds. And we've got a TV with a dresser. And then you come in through here. Got her own balcony overlooking the pool. And then we come back through, back out this way. And then we've got the full-on kitchen with a dishwasher, sink, microwave, stove, oven, fridge, toaster, island. Got little eating station. This couch pulls out into another queen-size bed. And this pulls out into like a Murphy bed. And look, they even have a little welcome home Holmes party. That's so cute. I'm never turning that off. So yeah, this pulls out into another bed. So if we had more people, oh, that's like the legs. Okay, it's definitely not how that's supposed to go. And then we've got view of the pool. We requested a view of World of Color, but that didn't happen, but that's okay. This is better than a parking lot. So we've got our room, our second room, and we've got the luxurious view of the parking lot. I mean, Cars Land. Look at Cars Land. There's a door to the balcony, which we'll go back to that in a second. We've got a spare bathroom with another shower and washer and dryer combo. And then this is Michael and I's room. So we've got Michael passed out already. We've got a king size. Actually, I don't know. Is that a king? Kind of looks like a queen, but
still not big enough.
With a TV and more drawers. And then we've also got our own balcony out here to overlook the pool. And then in here, we've got the bathroom. This is my favorite part of the whole thing. A beautiful jacuzzi tub. I am so excited for a jacuzzi tub. And then vanity, cool shower, and our third toilet.
You can also turn your TV to the firework channel and watch the fireworks with the soundtrack from your balcony.